In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up meeting in Microsoft Teams. This tutorial is great for anyone who wants an easy and organized way to set up and manage meetings using the Teams platform. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. If you're not signed in yet, click the Sign In button and enter your account details. Signing in is important because it gives you full access to all of Teams' features. If you run into any issues, double-check your login information or reset your password if needed. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, go to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Calendar. This opens your schedule and lets you begin creating a new meeting. The layout is simple and looks similar to most digital calendars, so it should feel familiar even if you're new to Teams. Now, choose a date for your meeting. Browse through the calendar and click on the day you want. It's a good idea to pick a date that works for everyone you plan to invite to avoid scheduling conflicts. Clicking on a date opens a new event window. Next, enter a title for your meeting. Make it clear and specific so participants know what the meeting is about right away. A good title helps set expectations and keeps things organized, especially if you have multiple meetings in one day. After that, add the participants. Go to the invite section and type in names or email addresses. You can also select people from your organization. Choosing the right attendees is important for keeping the meeting focused and productive. If needed, you can invite everyone in your organization by selecting the Everyone option. This is useful for large meetings or company-wide announcements, but it's best to use it only when necessary to avoid disturbing people who don't need to attend. Once everything looks good, click Save. This confirms your meeting details and sends invitations to all participants. Before saving, take a moment to double-check the date, time, and guest list to make sure everything is correct. Finally, you'll see an option to copy the meeting link. You can share this link through email or chat so participants can join the meeting easily with one click. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you'll be able to host more organized and efficient meetings. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.